Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we'll take a look at the Odoo website Stripe recurring payment module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. First, go to your Odoo backend and make sure both modules, Stripe Recurring and Stripe Payment Acquirer, are installed. Here, I have already installed both modules. Once they're installed, navigate to the Payment Providers section. Click on Invoicing, then Payment Providers. Here you can see the Stripe Checkout Payment Provider. Click on it. It is already enabled. If not, enable it and enter the secret key and publishable key. After entering the credentials, click Save to apply the configuration successfully. Now let's see the subscription payment flow. First, open the website shop and select a subscription product. Here you can choose the plan type, yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily. I'm selecting yearly. Click on the Add to Cart button. As you can see, the product has been added to the cart. Now click Checkout. Here you need to select Stripe as the payment method. Click on Pay Now and you will be redirected to the payment page. Enter the required card details and confirm the payment method. Then click Subscribe. Once the payment is successful, the customer is redirected to the confirmation page and the subscription is automatically created in Odoo. To verify this, copy the sales order reference and go to your Odoo backend. Then navigate to Sales Orders. Here you can see that the subscription start date and next payment date have been created. The product is now subscribed and the admin can verify the sales order, subscription record, and payment transaction directly from Odoo. Now let's explore the subscription trial period feature of the module. This feature allows businesses to offer a free trial before starting recurring payments, helping customers try the service before being charged. To configure it, open the subscription plan in Odoo. Go to Sales, click Configuration, and then Subscription Plans. Select a subscription plan. Here you can see the trial and start time options. Simply deselect Start Immediately. Here you can see the trial period option. Click on it, set the duration, I'm selecting 5 days, and then click Save.
This plan already has 2 products assigned. Select one product, go to the website, add it to your cart, proceed to Checkout, and select Stripe Checkout as the payment method. Click on Pay Now. Here you can see the 5-day free trial displayed on the payment page. To confirm the subscription, enter your card details including the card number, expiry month and year, CVV, and cardholder name. Once the payment is processed, the transaction is confirmed and the subscription plan is activated. Now go to the backend and open the subscription record. Here you can see that the subscription has been created successfully with a 5-day trial period. Since today is the 21st, the subscription starts on the 26th and the next payment date is the 26th of the following month. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.